Hello class, this is a video tutorial on the addition of probabilities. So to understand this, let's consider the following chance experiment and events. So our chance experiment here is a 12-sided die being rolled, and our groups are group A, or event A being even numbers, and event B being multiples of 3. I'll give you a moment now to write the outcomes for these different events. So I would like for you to write the sample space, event A, so all the even numbers, event B, all the multiples of 3, and as well as the intersection, or A and B, as well as the union, A or B. So I'll give you a moment, and I'll start revealing these in 3, 2, 1. So that there is our sample space. It's just 1 through to 12. Group A are even numbers, so 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. And group B are multiples of 3, so 3, 6, 9, 12. And so from here, we want the intersection, so A and B, so only common outcomes. So we can see that the common ones are multiples of 3 that are also even. So you can see that these two are found in both lists. So those are the intersection, and the union is both A as well as B combined, but we minus the double ups, meaning we wouldn't count 6 and 12 twice. So there we have it. Now, just as a way to get our heads around this even better, I'd like for you to transfer the number of things of these groups into our Venn diagram. So from this, I hope you can see that the total n should be 12. So n is 12. We can see that the intersection, so what's found in both, should be two things here, so 2. And now that we have this, 2 is in both. That means 6 and 12 are being counted in these two. So the things that are still in A, but not in B, are 4 things. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 4, 8, and 10. There are 4 things here. And for group B, since these two things are 6 and 12, there are still 2 items that are in B, but not in A. So there's 2 here. We're not quite done. We just need to add these 3 up to give us a total of 8. But since there are 12 things in total, that means there are 4 numbers that are not even and not multiples of 3. Now that we have this, we're going to use this example to understand this idea of the addition of probabilities. So the probability of A or B, or the A union B, is the probability of A plus the probability of B minus the intersection of A and B. Now, the logic behind this is as follows. The probability of A means we're going to add everything in A. The probability of B means we're going to add everything, well, in B. But notice we have counted this 2 twice. So we're going to now subtract. So we're going to subtract that since we've already counted it in A. Okay, so now we can see this happening, right, in our math here. So take a look. We can calculate the probability of A. We can count this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 out of 12, which is, well, let's do that, 6 and 12. Let's leave these in unsimplified fractions. The probability of B, well, we can count those here, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 4 in 12. And the probability of A intersect B, well, that's only 2 in 12. Now, take a look. these three, if we now use our formula, take a look, we're now going to see this. It's going to become the probability of A is 6 in 12 plus 4 in 12 minus 2 in 12. Now let's take a look again, the logic in that. These 6 are these ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These 4 are these 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. But notice we are counting 6 and 12 twice. To account for that, we're going to subtract the common items. So minus 2 and 12. And we can see that this is going to add up because the probability of A union B, we can count this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That is going to be 8 in 12, which is exactly what we're going to have here. 6 plus 4 is 10, minus 2 gives us 8 in 12. So this is a key formula that we're going to be using in a lot of probability. So I hope this example demonstrates this formula. We'll move forward and show you some examples of where we might use this in non-discrete examples, meaning in this one we have groups A and B. Let's take a look at some examples where we can't necessarily find the exact numbers here. Okay, so I hope to see you in the next video where we cover some examples. Hope to see you then, and best of luck.